Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a village in Fortnite Lego. Now it's an extremely easy process. So as you can see, I have a small village right over here. Now making a village is extremely easy. All you need is a village square, which you will find right over here. So all you have to do is just simply go to a plain area where you can place a village square, and the village square can be found in the utility tab over here and the bottom section, village square. But in order to make the village square, you will need 10 woods and 10 granite. So it's a very easy process to collect them as well. You can get the wood like this, and for granite you can just simply collect the stones over here and do this 10 times for both of them, and then you will have the materials to create the village square. Now all you have to do is just simply place your village square, wait for a few seconds, add your village square wherever you want. So just simply place it right over here, then choose your own color and branding or whatever alphabet you want. It's totally up to you. Then click on confirm, and then you will have your village square. So now just simply go to that particular location and press on E, and then you can see the upgrades that you can do for your village square. And right over, you will also be guided on how to do and what to do after you have added your village square. That's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.